The leadership war in South Sudan refers to the power struggle that began shortly after the country gained independence from Sudan in 2011. The conflict has been primarily political, but quickly took on ethnic dimensions, leading to a devastating civil war. Here's a brief overview. Origins of the conflict. Independence 2011. South Sudan became the world's newest country after seceding from Sudan, with Salva Kiir as president and Riek Machar as vice president. Political rift 2013. Tensions grew between Kiir and Machar, both from rival ethnic groups. Kiir is Dinka, Machar is Nuer. In December 2013, Kiir accused Machar of attempting a coup, which Machar denied. This accusation triggered violent clashes and widespread civil war. Ethnic dimension. The conflict soon took on ethnic lines, with Dinka and Nuer militias targeting civilians based on ethnicity. Massacres, human rights violations, and ethnic cleansing were reported by international organizations. Peace efforts. Multiple peace agreements were signed and broken, notably in 2015 and 2018. The revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of Conflict in the Republic of South Sudan (RARCSS) was signed in 2018. In 2020, Kiir and Machar agreed to form a unity government, but the peace remains fragile. Current status. The country remains politically unstable, with periodic violence, displacement, food insecurity, and lack of basic services affect millions. Upcoming elections, delayed repeatedly, are expected to be a major test of stability. Would you like a deeper dive into any specific aspect like the peace process, international involvement, or humanitarian impact?
Antama ka South Sudan na ideal gorkan kwar, kapada aswela maswele. Chiwi na watan tamu gorgan kwar, ko gorandid ko Salva Kiir cha kwar tanyam, ke bo tanyam tena ke long kaswele aswele. Chako wila dian, kamo da bagura ka goro dan ka yana tama. No mo kelme laro dan tama ke kapad nung aswele magulat tarikan tama. Inyaw kupade nung aswele ayo na ideal tigro renje ko gorgan kwar bantama. Nami ni album kakuma dung kapade dung Salva Kiir mayadit. Ekanda kana chanyada. Kapare dung hayo dian Dr. Ek Machar kana shegda la ekala ne tiwi parene ke la kwar parene namone che kormudit ke gwalchar mudit che na kana diaran gor ke parene dang rotan kamane dial ka South Sudan ke kuma South Sudan cheral mudit che na ko kwarka kone dial chigatan no kwar mudit goram no de ande ban la kwar ka South Sudan no mo jana la rodan tamma ka South Sudan no ne dial gor kana kwar dung Salva Kiir mayardit jana talk kakiyamo kapadmente roiken tama ngekeno bon mele yara mis akwanya la chairperson kapati Belu no hane guaje kwar kana kian wajito kwar jara mo deban la ramanyam no mo cha kwar dial kine te wal te kel ke yet patafing te no den cha jaga diak chikana guja no cha ubejela kanet talot amu deu no rami fai bana janane deu no kwar ka palgane te wal te kwar kan ke Salva Kiir mayar di no wal ke yet pade ke yet ping anwa jalat kwar sampai woja lat kene no amu deu no bul mela la cha person kapade palgane te konte kekel kene de bodor kel ke Salva Kiir mayar dit ke yet pade ping deu no ramu pai ban mo kwai ke wa te tanawan amu deu no me jam no ma cha bal charam di cha no ka ne de ta kapade no wan kene de la buzz pade kana wan te si jantin ke yet ping ana mo lat kene kabel kana ka kwar pade ka dien ni Salva Kiir mayar dit ano mu cha ne di dino kene te kan danya long ka pade ngo kam ka kwar mo kwene te kel gaja no wal kayet kan pade pinkel kugala palke wuja ke abaka woit bang chaka moika kamne no mo eden gwel chera minchitok kapade dung as well le mentoroi kan tama And pade dung aspele ayo moda. Te go liko kwara moda te dwili na kanaling. Duno ka gwatan baluin keja. Mai keja no biti dialbo bika gotan. Ko an wija waja pade de. Di jela talarek chanda mantaken kelga ni shek de kala kwar pade kamo. Wiki jela guaya ka ke wa kel. Troken go nebine nong yeno. Ray padan daro. Chigwel cherum di chatwagalong. Kanita wan topkan ko goramo daban. Jandeban la kwarana. Namuanta majan daro ay juba. Yata mal.